A walk through the timeline of an IGCDP exchange. Let's define the activities and the elements that are covered during an IGCDP exchange through the business model concept. Let's start with the raising period that involves the raising of TNs or opportunities through your clients and project partners and funds for sustaining your projects financially. For this, the elements in the business model include customer segments, that includes your TN takers or your project partners or the sponsors for your respective events. Your key activities and channels include sales, as these are the things your members should be doing regularly. They are also a channel for conveying the value proposition of the product to the various customer segments, which are here the TN takers and the partnering or sponsoring organizations. We reach out to them through physical meetings, through events, and through the appointments that we have with them. We also closely interact with the revenue stream element of the business model here through the raising fee that we receive from the TN takers or the project partners, through the funding or sponsorship that we get from event or the project partners as well. The value proposition element is also involved here. These are the things that you offer to your customers, here the TN takers, the project partners or sponsors for your events. The value proposition for the TN takers can be access to global talent for carrying out their project activities. For project partners and sponsors, it can be the impact created through the project or the events and promotion and leverage from the events and outreach. Moving on to the matching phase, the key resource involves our international network or the countries through which we source the global talent for our customer segment, which is the TN takers. The key activities here involve training members to carry out the matching activities and contacting the interns through various ways, which includes newsletters, various matching mails, and using IT platforms like Discover India or other IT platforms that may be existing in your LC for contacting the EPs. This also involves a very strong synergy with CIM. The value proposition here for the TN takers is the global talent that we outsource through the matching activities. And for the EPs, the value proposition involves the inner and outer journey that they go through while they come down on exchange and the entrepreneurial mindset that they develop during a GCDP program. Our cost structure involves the project and logistic expenses, which includes housing, Wi-Fi, and the other facilities that we provide to the interns like SIM cards, reception booklets, etc. A part of the cost structure also involves the recon, which is paid to the national office. Our revenue streams involve the TN fee, which is paid by the intern for housing or administrative purposes, or the funds which we receive from our clients, project partners, or sponsors upon successful delivery of the realizations. Our customer relationships include the interactions and activities that we do with the clients to ensure good relations and a satisfactory experience for them. The clients should be involved with project activities, LC forums. Constant feedbacking and incorporating recommendations should also be done on a regular basis. The value proposition during the realization phase involves the concrete job description, which is the outer journey that the interns will go through, and the EP lead, which will lead to a greater inner journey. The value proposition can also be provided in the form of a very well organized cultural induction that will help the interns in getting more acclimatized to the city and the country. A few key activities that can happen here are the pickup, induction, can be with the learning partner or can be organized by the hosting LC as well, and arranging for logistics like SIM cards, reception kits, etc. etc. If all these activities are planned and done at the right time, in the right way, they will lead to a successful business modeling of your project, helping our projects to be built to last.